Dr. Hsu, there is another popular question from many students about current pandemic situation. And many people are forced to organize their working space at home. Many people live in small apartments. Many people in small apartments, like 1 or 2 rooms, maximum 3 rooms in multi-story buildings. So people need to organize working space in bedroom, in kitchen, in living room, everywhere, searching for good corner. So what are your recommendations for people who are forced to work at home now in this pandemic time? And what are the main principles would you recommend to follow now?
I think that's really everybody. This is a common sense issue. Everyone follow common sense. Okay, how big space you have, right? You know, what's good for you to sit and talk and write things. It's common sense stuff. You can't have every space is different. You cannot have a specific guidance there. For one thing, though, make sure your house is very clean and order. You know, good to have some plants, you know, living plants to talk to.
Thank you.